I just left the campsite. Roger was still getting the tent up, but I needed to start walking. My back is very tight, and it's probably just from when I fell in the mud the other night. I did it once, not once, but twice. Tweaked a little something, but yesterday was hard because we had to do some technical stuff and didn't know that that was even part of the trail. No one even mentioned that. So we will mention that there is some technical. It's not real technical. When I say technical, I don't mean it's like you have to know how to mountain climb or anything like that. We just say technical because you have to sometimes, you know, scurry over rocks or whatever. That's what that is. I'm waiting for Roger, but I gotta walk over this mud right now. And it's looking, yeesh. Yeeshies. Don't want to get my feet wet already. Oh, smushy wushy. Oh, okay, well, we were serenaded till I'm not sure what time, maybe 9 or 10, and then, and then the boat, and then, before they left, they wanted to give us all of whatever they had on their boat, I guess, and we were just so in bed, and both of us were not dressed to get up, and so he was like, wakey, wakey, to the people on the beach, and we were like, not getting up. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna give you some stuff. We just, neither one wanted us, neither we had our pajamas on. We were snug. Anyway, it was funny. It didn't bother us at all. It was more comical. We laughed all night. Thought it was so funny. They were very friendly people, but friendly when they drink. They're not mean and belligerent. Wow. Anyway. This is reminiscent of Maine on the Appalachian Trail. Very reminiscent of that. You look at that and that. Wow, very similar, I must say. Isn't that beautiful? Huh? Oh, pretty. Ooh, there's oil or something here. Ooh. Ooh, see, it looks like oil. Kind of weird. Huh. Ooh. That's a big meadow we came across. Of course, it's very muddy. Extremely muddy, but look at, I think we might go back down to the lock down here. We'll see. That ruin is off limits, apparently. They put barbed wire around it. It's probably dangerous, that's what it is. But that's a cool old ruin. And then Bothy number 2. And it's a little bit more white, moist. They do have platforms, so that is nice. This one big flat platform here could hold like 6 to 8 people, maybe. But it does smell moldy because the floor is wet. Not so nice. That part's not so nice, but anyway. Well. Looky over there at the countryside with the beautiful houses over there. Ooh. And we're walking in the mud. Got to step over stuff like this, which is no big deal for people that have long legs. Short people would be a challenge. Ooh, and we open up and we have the mist over there. Ooh, I thought we weren't going to see the lock again, but we did. Right next to the trail. So pretty. gotta use both hands because it's slippery. Ooh, wish you could see it. It's beautiful. Yep. Or you could just step over there. Oh man, I was gonna record you going over it. Nah, never mind. Just go over the other side. It looks dilapidated. Yeah, it's too dangerous. Never mind.
So there's a ferry boat that would take you across here to get back to this little town.
Wow, it's beautiful. I love it.
Some big boats over there.
Man, if we could just not miss it. Beautiful. It's another meadow. Here's our view now. Beautiful.
Got a little pond there. About a mile and a half from the next town at this point. Chance of rain this afternoon, so hopefully we'll get there before it starts raining. Okay. As you can see, it's a boardwalk. Nice.
What is that? It just kind of swings back and forth. I guess animals can't get through it. Smart. I've never seen one of those in all the years. You think I would have. And now we got this little string to cross. Go ahead. We must be getting close to town.
Yeah.
Beinglas. Oh, how cute little huts. Bakington. Wigwams.
Sandy's cleaning the hostel. This big old long room is for people here to use. You can do washing machine. Washing machine's free. Dryer is £5 for 1 coin. We have a kitchen here. There's a bar, restaurant next door. They have like a reception store area, and it's out of the rain. That's good. I'll do the outside of the building real quick before I forget. This is the outside of the Beinglas campsite. So the campground's all over here. We're out there in the grass. There's huts and stuff up there. Other places, but none of that was available. And what was available was way too way too expensive. We've been finding Scotland being pretty pricey. Still cleaning. Yeah.
How you doing over there?
I'm good. Yeah. Life's good.
Are the midges fun? Midges are not fun. I wish I'd have known that.
Like gnats.
They're worse than gnats. 'Cause
Well, I'm saying that's what you remind me of.
yeah,
They don't make noise. They don't make noise. They get you.
they get you.
And they swarm like that.
And there's like a million of them, and they're all biting you at the same time. But you know, there we go. It would have been nice if I'd known there was a big line. Like it matters. Everyone has these on. So, oh, that's right by the campsite. We're walking to a haunted pub, right? Allegedly.
Drover's Inn.
And a local guy, back at one of the inns we stayed in. What was his name? Do you remember?
His name was Winnick. I was at the pub.
Winnick at the pub.
Clacken
He was at the Clacken. He told us, don't forget to go there because it's amazing. They play music and it's haunted.
It is Sunday night. So.
It is Sunday night, so maybe they will have it, maybe they won't. We don't know. Anyway,
Find out.
we're excited because we really haven't eaten today.
No.
I think we had a half a carrot cake each. And that's it all day. So we're kind of hungry, so we're gonna eat.
I had a protein shake and a soda.
And I had a 7-Up. And did I have anything else? And I had a bite of your something, your blueberry muffin or something. That was yesterday. I don't know. Anyway. All right. Drover's Inn. We still got our nets on because we're tired of being bitten. Oh, I love the building. The building is super cool. Nice. It's made out of all the big stones like I like. Oh, these bugs are horrible. Whew. Whew. I got mine off. Off now. Whew. Whew. Going in. See, it's an old. It's haunted, so it's. What are these for?
I'm looking at dinner. There might be for dinner.
Oh, really?
Dinner's at 4, it says.
What time is it?
Not quite 4.
Okay, we can wait.
You can see somewhere.
Look at it.
Order at the bar.
Ooh. Look at here.
Okay, let's find a place to sit. Can we sit in a booth?
Oh my God.
Yeah? A booth, or what do you want to do?
Oh, look at the bar. Don't you want to go to the bar?
Well, I want to go to the bar, but I don't want to sit at it.
Let's look around and see.
All right.
Let's look around. Oh, look at these. Oh my God. I see why it could be haunted. Oh, look at all the dead animals. Look at all the taxidermy animals. Look at all the ducks, honey. Yeah, find a spot wherever you want. Ooh, some more ducks.
Got it.
Ooh, that's a little bit frightening. Do they have these animals here? Oh, oh my goodness. This is very cool.
It's interesting.
What are you eating? It's like,
Fruit crumble with ice cream.
Cute little place. It's called Beinglas, right? Farm or something like that. It's very cute. Very, very cute. So they have a tent, so you can put your backpack there if you're just walking through. So you can go to the bathroom and stuff. And then